Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm up at the farm apiary. I'm going to put these on the hives today. They're for Verroa. There's some Chinese ones that we're going to try. Oh, well, that ain't good from the start, is it? Wuhan, shit. Oh days. But yeah, anyway. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're Verroa mite strips, look. White strips, light odour. Verroa mite adopted fluvium made by Mitsubishi Chemical Co. Oh, so it'll be fast. From Japan. Made through scientific formula, acts by containing extra stomach. Toxic and effective. Killing Verroa destructor. So it kills a few things. Leaves minimal residue in honey, but this is why like all your supers have to be off, because you can't treat for Verroa with supers that you intend to extract the honey from. Usage, dosage. This is where it's not very clear. Look, half strip per standard colony with 10 frame B. Hanging the strip between the frames. Adjust the dosage according to the colony strength, colony health, temperature, nectar resource and climate situation. Take 2 to 3 colony on trial before large scale application. But it doesn't tell you like how long to leave them in there for or anything. Attention, do not use when temperature under 15, no nectar, 3 days before or after transportation. Side effects, irritant to skin, toxicity to fish and silkworms. Withdrawal, forbidden use with honey flow, yeah, see, because you don't want it in your honey. 40 milligram strips, 20 strips per pack. So yeah, obviously like I've opened it, so I've tore the other bit away so you can't see the dress or the email. I've got another packet of these, but yeah, that's what we're going to try. Bit worrying now though, isn't it, seeing that word. Yeah, anyway, that's what I'm doing. It's a beautiful day, so we're gonna get on the bees. This apiary needs a tidy up because we're gonna expand that away, so that's got to be done. Not today though. Anyway, I'll get on. So I think you should see this on the GoPro, but look at all that pollen. This frame's like sagged at the bottom. Yeah, look. So the next frame should be, we should see brood. This is my first ever hive, this is. This is the fake Chinese flow hive. But I don't use the flow frame things. I tried them with my bees, and they went into them and like propolized them all and sealed all the cells ready to fill them with honey, but then they just didn't fill them with honey, and then they just a massive swarm one day. So I missed, you know, that year was a bust, and then the next year I put them back on. But this time I also put a normal super above it, and the bees just went straight for the normal super. They didn't even bother with the fake flow frames. They went through them just to get to the super above. So in the end I ended up selling them. So this is all full of brood. This frame is all fresh day old eggs. Yeah, on that side. It's got larvae in it, and so the queen was probably on the other frame. Anyway, I'll keep going. Right, so that's Verroa treatment on all of these. Obviously that one we can't Verroa treat because we can't get in it. Probably gas vap it through the top cork actually. But that's everything down here is Verroa treated now with the first stage. so we'll do the other bits. They're all pretty calm. So I'll go up top now, do the trailer. This hive here is it's got a full super. I put the super on to clean up with the clearer board. You know, the top board was there, so they had this super to clean, and they've filled this super up. So they've got 2 supers for the winter, but we've got a problem there because we don't want the queen in that super. It's alright if she goes in the first super, but we don't want her in the second. Yeah, I'm going to do the trailer anyway. On one of the videos, someone commented about my accent. Bit northern, bit southern, bit a bit of a mess. It's a bit unknown. I'm 100% Scottish, Irish, yeah, German, French, Swedish. Auf Wiedersehen. See what he's been doing with the track. Do you reckon I can drive over that? Let's go. Let's go for it. Look, it's flowers, right? With a bit panda. And we're stuck. I think we just grounded out. There's a digger there if you get too stuck. Oh no, we're stuck again. Oh, shit on it, man. Now you're gonna have to get busy. Drive over a mountain, that's right. Don't bother the there. Young pandas as well. We dug a new track, let's get on it. Oh yeah, panda on the track, man. We're on it. It's pretty like panda go anywhere. Panda, 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 panda. Look. Panda beast. I'm going to run the GoPro out doing this. Just showing you the power of the panda. So the lid's completely missing on this hive. I don't know what's going on there. I'm not sure that they were queen right anyway, but I can't see no sign of the lid. Oh, there's a bloody lid, look, all the way over here. Because we had a big old storm last night, like thunder and lightning. I felt the earth move. More ways than one. Yeah, babies, here's your lid. You want to get out, you'll be trapped. So you need a brick on there. Well, I think they've got to be newspaper combined anyway, but we'll find out in a minute. There are all the wasps around this bait hive. You can hear it humming. Watch when I let the lid off this. It's full of wasps. Look at that. Oh shit, so the wasps made their nest right next to the fucking hives. Oh well, we'll deal with that straight away, won't we? Living next door to Alice comes to mind. Yeah, so we'll deal with you little bastards in a minute. My days. Talk about moving close to your food source. I'm going to move that. Right, so that's all these hives done. They've all got their treatment. They've all had their Verroa treatment. Took off supers that they're not filled. The ones that they've cleaned, took them off. They'll be with that pile, and I'll take that pile back up the top. Put them in the bee unit. But yeah, they're all Verroa treated. So that's the job done. Need to deal with that wasp nest.